So today we're going to be teaching you about globes, the map of the United States, and how these maps will often have a title, a key, and show images containing geographic information. Now geographic information is where you are on the map. So first thing I'm going to show you is a map of, we're going to be learning about North America. All of North America, which is holds a piece of the United States. But first thing, hold on, what's your question? First thing we're going to do is quick review. Tell me, what are the 3 things you need when looking up yourself on a map? You live on a, tell me one thing. You do live on an island? Yes. You live in a, what else, Brittany? Marlene, what else do you need? What are the 3 things you need? A review. When you do your address, you need what? What 3 things do you need? Give me one. Yolanda, help her out. You do need a street. What else do you need? Sophia, tell me one other thing you need. A number. You need a number of the street of your house. And you need one more. Who else? Someone else? Someone else? Hyro, tell me what the last name is. Yeah, you do need a phone number, yes. And Maria, what else might you need? You do need a name. A road, so you have an island, you have a street, and a number. So, hold on. Molly, tell me what's the last thing you do.
New York.
Okay. New York. True, it is New York. Yes, you want to finish it.
Your address.
You do need your address. So, I will finish for you. Remember, let's take a look. Everybody, look this way. Look at the map of the United States. This is where we live. Remember, you need your number, your street name, and where you live. Like your town. Say it with me. Town. Town. Okay. Tell me, what town do we live in? Yes, we live in Hampton Bays. So, now, that is right. So, we go from New York. We live in a small town, the small state of New York, which is, what part of New York do we live on? Long Island. That's right. We live in Long Island in the town of, Isabella, what town do we live in? Hampton Bays. If you zoom in, here we are, Hampton Bays, right here. This is us, living on Long Island. One second, in the state of New York. Question?
You can do Hampton Bays again. I want to show you something.
No? Can you show me afterward? Save it? Hold on. So, we live in New York. Now, New York is just a small piece of the United States, like we showed on our map. This is us. This is all of the United States. How many states? Do you remember how many states are? Hyro, how many states?
50.
There are 50 states. Yes, 50 states. Great job. 50 states. We are only but one piece of a larger set. Now after that, get this, ready? So the United States is one part of all of North America. North America is made up of 3 big parts. 3. Sorry, wait. We have atop Canada, which is with across the United States. And on the bottom of Canada is Mexico. So there are, I knew you'd all be very excited. So we have Mexico, the United States, and Canada. 3 big parts. My goodness. So, the United States is just one big piece of land. This makes up all of North America. It's just one continent. Say it together. The whole thing is one continent. That's right. The continent. There are 7. This is only one. Think about that. Think about how big the world is. We only live in one tiny piece of the world. My goodness. Okay. So, now I will introduce So the state of New York is in the country of the United States. And the United States is all part of, what did I just say it was? Someone raise their hand and tell me. So we have New York. So we start in Long Island. Long Island is a part of what state? Yolanda, what state? It's part of New York, yes. So it goes from here to here. Mike, New York is a part of the island, yes. But what did we just say New York was a part of 50 states. 50 states make up
50 or 15?
50, 50.
Oh.
Make up the what? What do we?
At the base.
It does. What about, look at your map, take a look at your map. Look behind you, everybody. Everybody turn around and look. Turn around and look that way. What is New York a part of? The what? Someone say it out loud. United States. That's right. Here's New York right here. We are this little piece, part of the United States. And then I said the United States is part of all of North America, which is one continent. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a look at this page. Look at your map. Look at your map. Everybody take out a Sharpie, please.
Dry erase.
A dry erase marker. Once you have it out, I want you to circle and hold up like this. Show me where New York is. Circle where New York is on the map of the United States. You can, that's fine, you can use that pencil. When you're done, go ahead, circle where New York State is. And when you're done, hold it up like this so I can see it. New York. So, look, remember what we just said. We're looking for New York on the map. When you see it, circle it big, and then hold it up for me like this. Hold it up. Yes, already, great job. There it is. That's one. Sophia, show it to me. I love it.
New York, New York. There it is.
Love it. Show me the numbers on the map.
What do you have to do?
Isabel, fantastic. Down.
New York.
The map is upside down.
Good.
New York.
Wow, that's
Give it a big circle.
New York.
Yes. Circle it. Hold it up like this. Hold it up like this. Oh my God. Alan, show me. Oh. Now where's New York?
New York is
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
next
Let's circle it. With a big circle. You made it back. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, here's the thing. Where do we say on New York was? I don't know. Show it to me. Yes. Show it to me. Show me where New York is. Oh, it's not working.
right here.
Yes, you knew when you were. You know what? Since you're doesn't work, come with me. All right, come search. Come point on the map. We're gonna look on the map and see it just where it is. Come. I don't know. Show me where it is.
Right here.
There it is. Here. Thank you. Here is New York State. Now, here's an even better part. I hope you saved room because I want you to circle and make another circle within your circle. Circle Long Island. Show me where we live in New York. Ellen? No, circle North Long Island. Live a little straight.
Circle Long Island.
Right here.
Yeah. So the tough part about this map, it doesn't have a label on it. Since it is a part of New York. Attached to New York. Can't see it so much. See that little
Oh.
Got it. I knew you would.
Let's see it.
You see it now? Show it to me. You got it, Harlan? Brady, you got it?
New Jersey.
It's
New
very-
Jersey.
Very close. Very close to New York.
It's right here.
Remember, Long Island is not its own state. Yes, just like that. Yes, there it is. You have circled it. Now, I'm going to show you all on the big map. Take a look up. Everybody look over at me. Yolanda, this way. What we're going to do, I'm going to, yes, just like that, we're going to circle Long Island. You see, I made another color. Look, in the state of New York, that's us, right there. We are even smaller than you think we are. Well,
Okay, so what? Now we need
Now, I want you to take a look. Look at your other map. Look at your little agenda here. Your calendar, your little map on this. I want you to see just how small Long Island is, but compared to the rest of the world, Mike, look at this. Look how many different parts of North America there are. There are so many up top. You got New Mexico on the bottom, and then there's our 50 states. It's absolutely incredible. Okay, so for the last thing I want you guys to do, I want you to now take your map of your United States and flip it over like this. Flip it over, please, like this.
A detrás.
Take a look like this. And I want you to draw me the outline. The outline means the outside of the United States. So see this line, the red line right here? Draw it to the best you can. Do not look at this. You can look up here. Try to draw what you think the United States looks like. But draw it on the back side of the left side. Like, flip your thing over. Flip it. You can raise it. Flip it over. And then on the back side, try to draw me the outline. See these lines that look like this. Draw me the outline. What do you think? Yes. Show me what the United States looks like. Yep. Go ahead, Brittany. Take a look. Use your chart that I gave you from your agendas. You need help? Here. Oh, it's all done. Beautiful. Yes, Isabella, amazing. I love it. You did it. And then when you are done, I want you to put just one dot where you think New York is on your own mini map. Put a dot. Where do you think New York is? Put a singular dot.
I made like a pig.
One more minute, and then that's it. Now I want to see your masterpiece.
I did it. U N I T E E Can I get somebody from this? Yo le hice como una ardilla voladora. Yo le hice una ardilla voladora.
When you're done, yeah. When you're done, just hold it up like this. Like, here we go. Brittany, look this way. When you're done, just hold it up. I want to see that you did it. Oh my God! Like, look at Hyro. Look at Marlene. Look at Anna Maria. Look at everyone. Everyone, you all did so good. So on the map you showed me exactly where you thought New York might be. And I think you all did a wonderful job. I have one last thing.
Oh,
So
wow.
I'm going to hand you a sheet of paper. On the front and back, we have two sides. You can put your markers away, and then put your map to the side for now. So this is side 1, and this is side 2. And I'll explain to you what I'm going to do once I finish passing it out very quickly. When you're done, you may take out a pencil.
Oh, wow.
Pencil. Can you take out a pencil? Take out a pencil.
Pero si vas a pintarte.
Take out a pencil. Take out a pencil. Pencil, please. Mike, do this first, okay? Oh, your map. Just put it to the side for now. Go on. I'll film a little bit. Maybe. So, what you're gonna do now that I give you the paper, there we go. That's better. So, flip it over to this side where it has See how it says the world map on this side? Flip it to the other side. And look like this side. So what I'm going to have you do now is take a look. We have 3 different parts of the world. I want you to circle where you think New York is. Just like how we did before, try to circle what you think New York is. Make sure you have a nice big circle, because on the inside of that circle, make one more circle. Once again, circle Long Island. Because I want you to see how small we are on a map. And I want to come around and I want to check. This side. Get here. And
Oh, wow. Do it like this.
yes. Well, oh my God. All right. So when you circle New York on this page, hopefully yours looks like. If you look over here, we have to look up here. So look right here to the side. So in the middle, on the top, this is Canada. We said this was Mexico. In the middle was the United what? United, what did we say it was on the map? United States. Say it loud. All together, say it. The United States. So in the United States, New York is here. New York is right about here. And if I made a little smaller circle, there's Long Island. Look how tiny we are on a blank map. When there's no other states, this is just us. Out on the side. Okay. Now one final thing. So, flip it over to where it says the side. Go map. Go down. And then flip the page over.
Map.
Flip.
Look. I write it.
Sit down, sit down. Now, what I'm showing you instead of the United States is just all of more than just North America. I'm showing you I'm mostly showing you the world. But for now, just only take a look on this side. Right here, right on this little side. So what I want you to do now, remember how we drew the outlines of the United States?
Yeah.
You only now have to make 2 lines. Draw the top of the United States and the bottom line. Show me where the United States is in the middle between Canada and Mexico.
So like this, the cross, and on the bottom.
North America. Where do you think it cuts off? 2 lines.
Now, what are the 2 lines? The top and the bottom.
God, edit.
That's what it is. We're drawing the top and the bottom of North America. So we North America, right? Where do you think the top is and the bottom? So draw right across what you want. Do your best guess.
So I'm going to zoom in and take a look. See how there's a line up top and there's a line on the bottom. Give me 2 lines to your best.
Question? And on the left side of that. Where goes North America? Where do you think the top of North America is? Where the United States is? There, right? Yep. Draw a line straight across.
Well, when you're done, alright, take a look up here. Alright, Lenny, take a look here. Ta-da! Here's where the top of North America is and the bottom. So that shows now we should have 1, 2, and 3 parts of North America. You guys are also good, right?